Let's talk some energy. Why? Because, Jenny, Morgan Stanley today upgrades energy to overweight, and Goldman says commodities are going to gain as central banks cut rates. Copper, aluminum, oil products are forecast to see the best returns in terms of what Goldman sees. I'll come to you first because you've got some pretty big exposure in energy in general. One Oak, Shell, Williams, Pioneer, Total Energies, Kinder, Energy Transfer, Enterprise Products. How are you thinking about the space?
So most of our energy concentration is in the midstream space, and I like that because to me it's a safe play on the continued use of fossil fuels. I think it was interesting the way you framed it, Scott, talking about both commodities and oil prices, because I think there's a big difference there. So when we think about iron and copper, I think those are really demand driven and there's limited supply. On the oil side, on the oil and gas side, I think what's so interesting is ever since oil prices went negative in 2020, what I've seen is tremendous control over the price of oil come in. And no one's really saying it, but you can see that the major oil producers are really trying to keep oil in a range, I think, of like high 60s to low 90s, because they know that that's a sweet spot of profitability. They never want to get so crazy again as to see things go negative. And when it gets to 150, the share prices don't benefit. So I like playing this kind of middle of the road space in the midstream companies where the oil just goes back and forth, and they're doing great this year. Energy Transfer, Enterprise, One Oak, Magellan, they're all up 10% plus on the year, and they have 7% yields. That, to me, is a really good place to be.
Joe, Diamondback, talk about momentum. It's trying for its 15th straight day of gains. That'd be the longest rally since mid-2014, so a decade. You have that in the T.
So energy, and I absolutely agree with everything that Jenny said. And in the MLPs, one other name you didn't mention was Targa Resources, TRGP. I mean, that's, you want to talk about momentum? That's to the moon. But energy itself, Scott, I think you focus on energy equities right now. Ignore what you're seeing in the spot price of oil, because that's not your reason for being overweight energy right now. Yes, the spot price is lifted above $80, but in general, the entirety of the commodity complex is benefiting from very strong demand and a supply dynamic that's been managed really well the last couple of years by the commodity producers themselves. So in the case of the XLE, I think you're at a one-year high. The XLE is about to challenge its November of 2022 high. And if you get above there, you're talking about going back to 101, which is where it traded in 2014. Energy equities, I think right now, should be the investor focus. And one other point on that, Adam Parker wrote a great note over the weekend talking about now you're actually going to see energy as the one sector where you're going to get the acceleration in earnings growth, and you haven't had that.
Exxon, Transocean, Cheniere, you're overweight.
Yeah, so everybody's talking about crude oil, and there's a reason we're not talking about natural gas. But remember, natural gas is right at the same price in April of 2020 that Jenny was referring in crude oil. You could easily get a rally in natural gas that will add to the energy stock rally.